So I'll show you how to make a movie poster with the AI tool, and I made a prompt. Hello everyone, it's me Arif, welcoming you to my new tutorials. So here, going to the prompt options, just giving the story about that what I want to create. Here a snake and the Indian girl behind laying in a lotus flower, and just a snake behind her, and hyper realistic photography with the moody light, orange and teal combination movie poster style visual. AR means like aspect ratio 2:3 and version 5, Midjourney version 5 I just mentioned over there. Snake behind. I'm editing this one. Actually I made this one earlier, little bit of earlier, that means 15 or 10 minutes ago. Hyper realistic photography, moody lights, orange and teal color combination, and giving like that. So in the before what they given to me, let's see what they given. I'm going to the movie poster options, the lotus flower girl and everything, and here all the stuffs, the combination, that's fine. That's amazing. So I hope this one is better, because of this one is already maintain all the stuffs, and the lights, moody lights is coming from the right side and everything. And let's see, this prompt is generating, hope so. So this one is another options, they just given to me 1 2 3 and 4. I should take 1 2 and 3. Okay, let's upscale all of them to 3 and 4, and after upscaling that we will edit this one into the Photoshop, and proper titles and fonts and everything we'll make over there. Okay, I'm clicking over there, I'm closing it up, and now going to the Photoshop, and after that we'll open up in this, going to the open options, and after our directory take, let's see, here is 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, this one was the better, so we should take this one, or we can take this. I'll take this one and open it up. Okay, after that here some Midjourney given us some things. We'll remove this one because of those are not in our options. That's good. Okay, after that in this layer, taking another layer and giving going to that font, like I'll give the water girl, so making the font size bigger, 48, like water girl, giving the name over there. Now time to choosing the font, so we'll provide here, and going to the font options, which font should I use? Okay, this one, water girl. Okay, now time to provide here something like the gradient and other stuff. That's good. And we should turn off this stroke. Actually we should provide the drop shadow from here, the drop shadow, and hit OK. Now Ctrl Command J, and making this one right press over there and create clipping mask from here. So press Ctrl Command T and water curl. We should make this one bigger. Okay, that's fine. And now this one, and we'll go to the filter and going to the blur options, and little bit of Gaussian blur options, not too much. Yeah, that's fine. Now we can provide the stroke, and stroke should be white color. If I provide the white color, yeah, that's fine. Okay, this one is our title, making it group title, and press Ctrl or Command T, we can move this one. Okay, that's fine there. Okay, that's fine. And now some kind of things like the spark and everything. So let's find out some spark over there. PNG, spark PNG. Let's find out some spark from here. Okay, copying this one, copy the image and paste over there. Press Ctrl Command T, making a little bit of bigger and making it screen. Okay, going to the levels options from here, making this one into like that. Proper positioning, that's fine. You can brush it out a little bit, P from the brush, and from here smart brush. Okay, little bit of brush from there, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Okay, this position is good, I hope. Okay, that's fine. And now I'll use my signature. Going to the brush, I made a brush about that, so here, and here is my signature over there. And let's find out here, I'll place over there. Okay, that's good. And now the footer of the movie footer, you can find out in a Google. Footer PNG, so you can use your own footer which you want to provide over there, or linear options, or you can provide the color over there. Going to the blending options, going to the color overlay and make this one white color and hit OK. That's good. Press Ctrl or Command A, making it into the middle of the artboard. You can make this one a little bit of bigger. Okay, that's fine. A girl over there, and okay, press Ctrl or Command T, and this layer actually press Ctrl or Command T. Yeah, that's fine. And making into the middle alignment, that's good. And now find out some award.png, movie award. Going to that files, download the PNG, saving it out, show in finder or folder, and going to the Photoshop and placing over there, making this one smaller. That's good. And making into the alignment properly. That's good. And now selecting all the stuffs, making it group and making it into the convert to smart object, and going to here, going to the camera filter, Ctrl or Command A, Ctrl Shift A actually, and from here I have lots of preset and I'll use one of them. So already I made lots of preset, so that's fine. And from here I'll reduce the blue color, and hue should be blue into like this, and then hit OK. So we got our movie poster by using the AI tool, and which is really nice. And hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, please do comment in my video comment section. Until the next video, ASMR signing up today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.